Hi everyone, see this problem. So here a circuit is given having 5 ampere current source that is parallel with 4 ohm resistor and 0.5 dependent current source. Now how can you find the current I0 and V0 value? And this is a problem. We know that according to KCL, at node A, the entering currents equal to the outgoing currents. So the entry currents are 5 ampere and 0.5 I0. Now write that in mathematically. So that is 5 amperes plus 0.5 I0, that is equal to outgoing current, that is I0. So by simplifying this, we will get 0.5 I0 equal to 5 amperes. So from this we will get I0 equal to 10 amperes. Now we want voltage V0 across the resistor 4 ohms. So by applying Ohm's law, we know that V equal to IR. So in that resistor, V is V0, that is equal to the current was entering in the resistor is I0. The resistance is 4 ohms. Now we know that I0, that is 10 amperes. Now substitute here, then we get 10 amperes into 4, nothing but V0 equal to 40 volts. So the current is 10 amperes and voltage is 40 volts. So from the options, option is the correct option, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.